To make a portfolio in Canva, first you want to come into Canva and come over to templates or search the templates. I want to create a creator portfolio and I'm going to hit on enter so you can scroll and see the one that works for the design you're making. For me, I would like to use this template because it very much vibes with the creator portfolio I want to create. So from here, you can also view the pages individually to see if it's actually what you want to work with. If at any point you don't like it anymore, you can still scroll down here to find more portfolio templates. But I very much like this portfolio I opened. If I still want to use this template again, I don't want to start searching for it, you can start the template here. I'm going to click on customize this template. Now this template has opened. It's time for you to customize the template. I'm going to go to my element to find other kinds of images I want to use for this template. So I'm going to search out images that speaks to me. I very much like this one. I'm going to pull it out to replace the background. Just to get a subtle nature of what I have in other ones, I'm going to click on this background image and go to edit, and I'll come to filters. I'm going to select this newspaper because it kind of have the vibe I'm going for. And I'm going to change the name here into my own name. Reduce the size of this text. I'm going to go click on the text and reduce the size. Now this sort of works. And I'm going to click on this website here and I'll delete it. My first page is set. I'm going to move into the next page, which is about me page. I'm going to come to my images to switch up this image that is here. I'm just going to pull it in. So I have my first page set. I have my second page set. I'll come into the third page and I still want to tell a bit about me. Because I have prepared my portfolio in a document here, I'm going to copy things I really want to highlight about myself. I want to highlight my creative highlight, and I'm going to copy that and still go back into the design. Let's delete this. You want to write in text you need. I'm going to paste this here. Now let's come into the summary. I'm going to say creative highlight. I don't think I need all this. I'm going to delete them and I'm going to move this page to this place and I will change the name into my designs. I want to spread this out and select this one. I'll delete this. So you're going to go in and bring in your design link. So I have this 5-second template I have created before. This is a design I created by myself because Canva will want to see your design you've created, because this portfolio I'm making is basically for Canva Creator. And I would click this drop down and I will click anyone with the link and I will say what anyone with the link, which is only to view. And I will copy the link because I only want them to view how this design looks, that I'm the one who actually created it. And I'll go back into my template and come over to the app section and search for embed. I'll use this one. This is created by Canva and I want to paste in my link and I will add it to design. You see that way my design has added here. So I'll take this up and I'm going to delete this one. I'll delete this and I'll reduce this size down. I'll size this down. I'll also take out this text. Delete. And I want to select both of these texts and bring it down like so. Click on the page, go to position and come down to what I'm looking to select. Let me increase the size of my page so I see what I'm looking. I'm going to spread the shape to fill out like so. And I'm going to see what this template's name is, which is countdown timer. Going to click out, and I'm going to select and position it to the center of this design. Let me reduce my page size back down. I'm going to move this design here, and also I'm just going to take this one all out. I only want to display to design, and I'm going to delete this also and embed my second link. I'll paste here. So I've brought in my second design. I've embedded it from here. Let's scroll here and stretch this out. I want to change the name of our content. You want to position it to be on the center of this page. Let me reduce down my size. You might want to do more than one design, but for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm just going to embed only one design, and I'll go here, come here, come here. I'll take out this page out. Any page that doesn't work for what you're doing, you can just take it out. I'm still going to delete this page. You may also want to add a link to your channel pages. So I'll come into this page and take this out, and I'm just going to place this here and place this here. Click on this text box and increase this to 50. Yeah. Now bring this here and spread it out like so. And I'll pull this down. I would select this YouTube creator, and I'll put my link to my YouTube channel there. And I'll click on done. I think this is a pretty much portfolio I want to submit to Canva, but I will come back and add in more designs. So let's position this. This doesn't look well positioned. Yeah, this looks a bit better. So now that we have our portfolio, if you want to see how your portfolio will look when they visit your portfolio, you would want to see it from here. So now that you're happy with your portfolio, what you're going to do is to click on share here. You can publish it as a website, but I like to publish mine as a public view link. I'm going to click on this public view link and click on create a public view link. And this is the link I'm going to use to submit for my Canva Creator application. Like this video if you got value from it, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Have a good one.